Oh,
good.
so good. Can you clap? Clap for yourself.
Yay, Ollie. Yay, Ollie.
Can you do it again? No? Oliver, do it one more time. Okay. Go to Daddy. Ready? Come on. Make it count. Good job. Did it. That's right. Okay. Good job. Let me have the phone. Okay, you ready? One more. Okay, let go of Mama. Let go of Mama's shirt. Ready?
Yeah.
One more. Focus. Yeah!
Come here.
Come on, go get Daddy.
Come here.
Go get Daddy. You know you wanna.
Come here.
Come on. Uh-oh.
Yeah, folks, you know. Want to go back to Mommy now?
One more.
Okay. Goodbye.
Let's get him back. Yay! One more.
Come here.
You do it. Go to Daddy. Go to Daddy.
Okay, let's put your finger out here. You can balance better. It's better if you have both your hands out.
Come on.
There you go.
Go. Yay!